snails, part of the cephalaspidid order, are fascinating marine gastropods known for their delicate translucent shells. Unlike traditional snails, their shells are often small and soft, sometimes not fully covering their bodies. These snails glide over sand or mud in shallow waters, feeding on algae, small invertebrates, or detritus. Their unique appearance and